You know, when you first step in the radiology department, I was amazed, and maybe I don't like you to stay in the radiology department because my first impression to you, you're very maarte, and
What
then
she said,
and
what
then
she said that is stick
imagine
to your mind.
Dr. Bashuni told, oh, welcome to radiology, and then how are you? And you find doctor, and then you say, are you really good in IV insertion? That was the first question of Dr. Bashir. And I said, doctor, that's my expertise. It's my expertise, doctor. I want to work for the IV insertion, like I said, so on and so on. Yun. Then
And
I
your
came out, and
reaction?
then my reaction is like that. Really? Let's see. Let's wait and see. And we, together with Somya, Somya, oh, this is mayabang.
Uh-huh.
That's our first impression. And I don't think I can go with her because she's like well to the family. Yeah, and I'm just came from a very low profile. It is quite a high profile. So I don't expect that we will be
Good.
going to be like this, smoothly, working smoothly, and partners in crime sometimes, and a very lovely lady, and very thoughtful, and everything, and impressive. That's all. Impressive. And then now that you are almost leave us, I really feel sorry, but I'm so happy because I know you'll be moving for a good, a better one, place to work, and more, like for example, more pasture land to go. And I wish you good luck, and I wish you, and I miss you so much, and I really feel so sorry for letting you go. If only I can, I will not let you go. You bring us you bring us a very good, you bring us already a very good setup. You help us, and thank you for all the efforts and for all the things you've contributed in the department. And you really, this is serious. You really work for us in the radiology department. And the radiology department was evolved just because of you, because of your kakulitan, because of your kaprangkahan, and that helps a lot for us in the radiology. We are so very thankful. My co-staff and the radiologists are also very thankful and very sorry for you to letting you go. That's all, and we love you so much. I love you, Cheryl. Bye. Good luck and more happy lives.